Hi, good morning, Ashok.
Morning,
Happy
sir.
to see you back.
Yes, sir.
And last time that we met was in
Yeah.
Coimbatore, if I remember.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember the
2000,
date?
2017, sir. It's 30,
2018, 30th
2018,
April.
30th April. Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
That was because I was going for a holiday to
Ooty.
Ooty.
Yeah.
And since the flight landed in Coimbatore, so I decided to announce a workshop. And so
Yes.
some of you came there
Yeah.
and we had a workshop.
Actually, everyone is doing good, sir. Actually, we had a group, a separate group of Coimbatore batch, GABA,
Huh.
and everyone is doing really good. Most of
Oh,
them
I'm
are
very
trading.
happy.
Most of them are trading in commodities.
Okay.
Yeah, and they are really good, sir.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Yes, sir.
Uh, because trading commodities or trading stocks or trading indices doesn't matter.
Yes.
Because if you know the technique, if you know the method, and if you
Yes.
execute it flawlessly,
Yes.
then you can trade anything. I have traders in United States, Australia, Singapore, trading currencies also, England, South Africa, Dubai, everywhere I have.
Yes.
So, and they trade their markets,
Okay.
and it works beautifully.
It works everywhere, sir. Even in the COVID graphs, it is working.
Yes, COVID graph I've been posting these days.
Yes, sir. In the Facebook, I've seen. I've been seeing that.
I think I will post for this week today, later on during the day when I get a time. Maybe
Okay.
I'll post COVID graphs today. I've not worked on it. We've been working very much, working late hours in the night.
Um,
So I'm glad. So you're doing well.
yes, sir. Completely fine,
Very good. I want to ask you, what was your life before you learned my ATM method?
sir. Before I lost, I mean, my capital was just 5 lakhs. Sir. I lost 2 lakhs
Okay.
already before attending yours,
Okay.
and I think I have recovered your fees on the day after the workshop. After the workshop, I recovered your fees.
In one day you recovered my fee. There is a problem out there, looks like.
Yes, sir.
You recovered the fee in one day, you're saying.
Yes, sir. I recovered the fee after your workshop. And within 3 months, sir, I completely recovered all the losses, and I was 73,000 profit
Wow.
with the capital. Yes, sir. And it worked everywhere, but in the stock options, it is just choppy. But in the indexes, it worked perfectly fine. If I follow the rules without even breaking it worked perfectly fine. And I used another technique also, the dog on leash, the method you have told. It
Okay.
also works. Actually, it gives more profit.
Oh yes, the dog on the leash method.
Yes, sir.
You like that?
Yes, sir. I completely love that.
It
Actually, it
works
works.
amazing.
Yes,
It
sir.
works amazing.
Yeah. But since I can't tell all this in the meeting, I just kept quiet because I don't want to pollute others. Let them follow the rules first. But it was the amazing technique, sir. It changed my life. The 30th of April, I can't forget it. I have that autograph, sir. I have tore that picture and pasted in my cabin in front of my system. Whenever I try to break the rules, I just think of you.
I'm glad. I'm glad that you are doing
Yes,
very well. It
extremely
makes
great,
me.
sir.
It gives me immense joy to see my students making money.
Yes, sir.
You were from a loss-making trader. I remember you sent me an interview, a small little message 7 months down the line
Yes, sir.
that you had recovered 42 times my
Yes, sir.
workshop fees.
Yes, sir. If I have totaled it, I have recovered many things, and I told you also I bought a car.
Yes. Oh, you bought a car. Congratulations. Which one was that?
It's a Ford Freestyle.
Fantastic.
Yes,
It's
sir.
life change. I'm very happy. Very, very happy.
Yes, sir.
Extremely happy.
With just 5 lakhs, I thought I will lose all the money, but I am completely recovered now. I don't have a job. I didn't even search a job, sir. I'm
Yes.
earning more. Even in the pandemic times, I'm getting money.
Wow. Superb.
Yes, sir.
Because
Many of my IT professional friends are losing their job, and I'm doing this. I just asked them to, if you want to go trade, just contact Prakash Gaba, and you would have got many friend requests in Facebook. Most of them are my friends only.
oh, very good. Very good. In fact,
Yes,
in this pandemic, a lot of people are going to lose their jobs.
yes, sir.
There will be salary cuts. But in a pandemic, I will tell you something.
Yes.
I have been working more than normal
Okay.
because I save a lot of time, so I work more. As a result, my productivity has gone up. I
Okay.
published a book. If you go on my site prakashgaba.com, this new site that I've made on my own. I'm technologically challenged. I don't understand how to make a web, but
Okay.
I've designed a web in just 3 days.
Wow.
Prakashgaba.com, if you see, is a new look, absolutely.
Yes.
This I have done it, which was never there. The skill was not there in me, but now I know it.
Okay.
So I've done it. So in this pandemic, market starts at 9:15, shuts at 3:30, and you make money.
Yes, sir. I'm not greedy, so I want to trade and all. I don't do that. Only if I see GABA trade, I take it. For sure. No doubts at all.
I'm glad.
Yes, sir.
I'm glad. Stick to the basic, simple. Idea is to make money.
Yes.
Doesn't matter from where, but
Yeah.
stick to the rules. If you break the rules, then
Yes, sir.
you're you're compromising with your art.
Yes, sir. Actually, I once tried to break the rules, sir, and I lost 7,000.
Oh,
Immediately, I got out of that. Actually, I tried to trade with another moving average and all. I just throw the textbook after that. Nothing works better, sir. Really. As long as we keep it simple, as you say, making money is really difficult.
yeah, I have tested these rules over 20 years. That's why I formulated everything in 20 years and made it
Yes.
simple in 20 years. It's taken a lot of time. You can make it complicated and make life difficult for you,
You know,
or keep it simple and
keeping
make
it.
life easy for you.
Yes.
So, how is life after ATM?
After ATM, sir, even my personal, in my lifestyle also there are changes. I became more disciplined. That's
Very,
what the positive I have seen.
very good.
I become more disciplined. I can't even try to break the rules nowadays. Only I stick to the trading. Every discipline follows. Even in the holiday times also, I wake up at 5. I have
Wow,
prepared. I have prepared for everything now.
very good. Very
Actually,
good.
character changes have come, sir, after the ATM only. The words you speak, even now I can hear it. It is just reverberating in my.
I'm so glad.
Yes, sir.
I'm so glad.
The best change I had is my personal change, sir, and my trading change. I didn't even look for a job after that ATM method.
You are an MBA. You were looking
Yes,
for a job for 2 years, I remember, and you never
yes,
got a
sir. Two
job yet.
years. Yeah, no, sir. I mean, I didn't get the job I preferred. It was just a messed up job. Now I am making money with no one's dependence.
So you got freedom of income.
Yes, sir.
You can make money in any market in the world.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I have that confidence also. Whenever I
Yes.
see Olympic trade and all the trading advertisements, I just laugh. There are many ignorant people who don't know trading.
So do you think trading has to be learned?
Trading has to be, it's a skill to be acquired, sir.
Yes, skill to be.
We
True.
can't learn and all. If we learn, but it will take so much time and the experience. But still, many people quit because they lose money. No one have that passion to win the market like you. Because of you only, we are getting learned of many skills and all. If you are not there, then we are. There will be many people losing.
Yes.
Actually, you are one among the people who prevent suicides in the stock market. There are many people that I have seen, sir. They have passed away in the heart attack and all because of the stock market thing. But they should have found you before and had your course. That's what I wish. I'm telling many of the people who ask me how's your trade going, I will say just GABA things I'm doing. If you want, go learn with it. I'm not sharing the technique at all. I'm not going to do that. I can't betray my guru. I'm not
Yeah.
teaching free also. And also, I remember, sir, you told if knowledge is costly, try ignorance. That's your code. You say this always.
Yeah. True.
So I say this to them also. And yeah, many of them are considering you. And you would have got the friend request as I say earlier.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
People call me up.
Yes, sir.
You feel that yes, education is required, skill has to be acquired,
Yes,
and
sir.
the skill has to be practiced to make
Yeah.
money from the
Yes.
markets every day at
Yes, sir.
will. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. But I'm getting your trades 3 times a week, sir. In many of the stocks, indices, definitely I am getting your trade. But some people want to trade daily, but that has to be changed. Their mentality has to be changed. They want to make money. If they see the market, they have to trade. That has to be changed. Stick to the
Yeah.
rules. That's the
So,
thing.
so would you say that the trade comes to you instead of you chasing a trade?
Trade comes to me, sir. That's what I.
Correct.
Every day the trade comes to.
And
And
tells you,
even
Ashok, take the money.
yes, sir.
That's true.
That's the and the only thing is we need a faster internet connection and a good PC without any rubbish applications because the
That's true.
spread is just I mean it is taking more money, right? In that process we lose some money. Even I am not losing that also.
Yeah. Very good. I'm so happy that you're making money. I still have that painting. I remember that you gave it to me there.
Yes,
I
sir.
still have it. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, sir.
That was an amazing painting that you sent me. I like
Actually,
the
I didn't
messages that you
decide.
send me.
Yeah.
It keeps me encouraged to perform better.
Yes, sir.
I like it when people are doing well, students are doing well. It
Yes, sir.
encourages me. It fires me up.
Yes, sir.
If I can change lives, I'll be very happy to do so.
Sir,
God
you are
bless
the
you,
one
Ashok.
you changed my life, sir. Actually, I don't have words. I kept texting you a lot of times. In your busy schedule, you will see the messages, but you won't reply. But
Yeah,
I
I
later,
don't reply. I
yes,
don't
sir. I
reply.
later I realized that you are completely busy. I have seen you in Avas, CNBC TV 18. You are just working, flying by all the studio, and I just realized that. That's why I didn't text you. But we are sharing in the groups that what are all the trades we take, we just share, and every day we say it's Gaba's magic. If you remember, Kurup was one of the
Yes,
classmates.
I
Yeah,
remember the name.
yeah, he do crude oil trading, sir.
Oh, very
Only
good.
Gaba. Only Gaba. He's a
Very good.
retired bank manager, I suppose.
Yes,
Uh,
he's group. Yes, group. Yeah,
yeah, he's doing very good in crude oil, sir.
very good. Very good. Very
Yeah,
good.
crude oil and another, and he's doing stocks also in Reliance and all.
Okay. Very
And
nice.
and I also found one thing, sir. I in day chart also it is working, sir. Your technique.
Yes.
Only in investment perspective, not
Yeah.
in a trading. The day chart it is working perfectly fine. It is working all over the place, sir, no matter what.
Yeah. Sometime back, you sent me a message saying that you made 17%
Yes,
investment in 1 week,
yes,
when
sir.
State Bank of India gives you only 3% a
Yes,
year.
sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
I'm very happy that you're doing well,
Yeah,
and I can say God bless you. Keep batting.
yes, sir.
Keep batting. Keep batting. Wait
Yes,
for
sir.
your ball.
Hook
That's all.
shot only. That just hook shot.
God bless you. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
I'm sorry I don't respond to your messages because I
It's
work for
okay.
16 to 18 hours a day.
Yes, sir. I know.
So it
That's
becomes
why I
very
didn't.
difficult to respond to every message. But thank you very much for your messages. I
Yes, sir.
read them. I
Okay, sir.
like
Yeah.
them.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry if I don't respond. Don't feel bad about it.
Please don't say sorry, sir, because I know, sir, what are you doing and all. Because even though I personally feel, I know Ashwini Gujral is your friend, but you are the best.
Oh, he's a
Your
very, very
technique,
dear friend of mine. Very dear
yes,
friend of mine.
but still, your technique is the only technique working in this world. I would say this. I will promise this anywhere. I would light a camphor on my hand and I'll promise it. It won't. No technique is working, sir. Really, please believe this. I'm happy because of this technique only. I've thrown every books, each and every book is out of my home now. Only GABA.
Thank you very much. Feels
Yes, sir.
nice. Take care. God bless you.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy your Sunday.
Thank you, sir.